We're given the function x squared plus 10x plus 22 over x plus 7. We want to find the oblique asymptotes. So we're going to do this two ways. The first way is just using algebra, manipulating equations. The second way will be long division. Alright, so the point here is, can we alternate the numerator by, and then splitting it up into separate fractions so that the denominator is that the numerator is a multiple of the denominator. So for example, we had x squared plus 10x. I broke up the 10x as 7x plus 3x. Because if you just look at x squared plus 7x, that's the denominator times x. Right, so if I took the denominator multiplied by x, I get the numerator. So yeah, now these are going to cancel and I'm left with x. Now over here I had 3x plus 22 left. 3x plus 22, well, let's see. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 7 is 21. So I can break up the 22 as 21 plus 1. And then from there, I'm going to break it up as 3x plus 21 and then plus 1. Now notice that the second fraction, we have 3 times the denominator, so that cancels. So we're left with x plus 3 plus 1 over x plus 7. And so the oblique asymptote is going to be x plus 3. Because as x approaches infinity, this thing will go to 0. So this is one way of doing it. The other way is just doing long division. And I should also add, you can also do synthetic division if you want. So I can show you that as well. So the way it works, you always look at the highest degree for both. So x and x squared. What do you multiply x to get x squared? Well, that's x. So then x times x is x squared. 7 times x is 7x. We're going to subtract this. We have 3x plus 22. How many times does x go to 3x? That's 3 times. So that's 3x plus 21. So we have a remainder of 1. So this 1 is going to be over x plus 7. And so clearly, the oblique asymptote is at x plus 3. Similarly, we can use long division, or the synthetic division. We put the 0 in the corner, so if you set x plus 7 equal to 0, you get negative 7. And now you just put the coefficients of x squared, x, and the constant. You always bring down the first one. Then you do 1 times negative 7. Then 10 plus negative 7 is 3. 3 times negative 7 is negative 21. 22 plus negative 21 is 1. So this is the remainder. So this is a constant. And this is the coefficient for x. So that is x plus 3 plus 1 over x plus 7. So both ways you see that the oblique asymptote is x plus 3.